Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Fun. Today in this video we will be learning how to use is, are and am in your sentences. So let's start with the video. First, is. Is used with he, she, it. He we use when we are talking about boy, she when we are talking about any girl, it is used for non-living things, okay? And with singular form whenever we are talking about a single person, okay, single thing, then we use is, and anything that is single means one, then we use is, okay children. Next we have are. Are is used with we, they and you, okay? It is whenever we start a sentence with we, they or you, then we use are with it. And with plural form means whenever we are talking about more than one thing, okay, then we use are. Next we have am is used with I. Am is always used with I. Whenever we start any sentence with I, we use am with it. Once again, we'll just revise it. Is used when we are is used with he, she and it, and singular form whenever we are talking about one thing. Are is used with we, they, you and plural form. It means whenever we are talking about more than one thing. Am is used with I. It is only used with I. Whenever we are starting our sentence with I, we use am with it, okay? Now regarding is, are and am, I have these 5 sentences and I'll explain you with help of these sentences how to use is, are and am. Now let's move to the first sentence. My sister dash a teacher. Now we are talking about sister over here. So we are talking about one sister, okay? So one sister, for one thing we use yes, is. For one thing or one person we use is. So my sister is a teacher. If they would be sisters, then we will be using are over here. But here it is written sister. It means that we are talking about only one person. So when we are talking about one person, we write is. Next, let's move on. Second sentence. Birds dash flying in the sky. Now you can see here we are talking about birds over here. And S is there. It means that this is plural. It is more than one. We are talking about more than one bird. So birds dash flying in the sky. It means what will we use here? Is, are or am? We will use here are. A-R-E-R, because we are talking more than one bird. Birds are written here, okay? Next, third sentence, I. Now if you remember, whenever the sentence starts with I, we use am with them, okay? Am is used only with I. So whenever we start a sentence with I, we write am with it. Fourth one, he dash going to the market. He dash going to the market. Now the sentence is starting with he. He means we are talking about one person, and whenever we talk about one person or one thing, we use is with it. Fifth one, we have they dash playing with ball. Now they dash playing with ball. Our sentence is starting with they. They means we are talking about more than one person. Yes, so we will write here A-R-E-R. Okay, they are playing with ball because they is used for more than one person. Okay children, so once again we'll quickly revise. Is used for one person or one thing. Are is used for more than one persons or one thing. Am is used with I. It is always used with I. If you all like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and please like, share and comment on my video. Thank you.